Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up a file manager on your phone. So I'm going to open this file manager right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on browse to look for a particular video. Go ahead and click on videos. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a video folder. I'm going to open up these folders right here. Now I have a lot of video right here. I will just use a particular video as an example. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular video right here. Go ahead and open up the video.
Did you know that turning off your Wi-Fi does not necessarily mean that the Wi-Fi is actually turned off? Let me show you.
Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots right here. Go ahead and click on play as audio. So let me increase the volume. Then click on the video back again.
Did you know that turning off your Wi-Fi
Click on these three dots.
mean that the Wi-Fi is actually
Click on play as audio.
Let me show you.
By the time you minimize,
Then tap on location services. As you can see, Wi-Fi scanning is turned on by default. While it may be useful for some apps to obtain your accurate location, it can also reduce your battery life. So turn it off and follow for more value.